You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more pronunciations in English that are confusing, stay tuned. Cup is the British and American English pronunciations. United States and UK pronounce it similarly. Cup, it's an sound, a schwa sound. So it's different from cap or cop, alright? Cup, cup. Can you hear the difference? Cup. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.